How to change Shopify password. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Shopify password in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard. Now head to the top right corner of the page where your store name appears and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Account. This will open up a new tab with your account settings. You'll land on the General tab by default, but we want to switch over to the Security tab. Once you're there, you'll see the option to change password. Click it, and a form will appear asking for your current password, your new password, and a confirmation of the new one. Enter the details, then click Change Password. And just like that, your password will be updated. Now, if you don't remember your current password, no worries. Just click on Forgot Password, and Shopify will send you an email with reset instructions. Follow the link, set a new password, and you're all set. And that's how you change your Shopify password. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick Shopify tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.